Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here, very rare bike, VRX400, Jap import, only allowed in Japan. That we basically had the VT6. This was like a calf racer flat tracker that they had in over in Japan. The idea was you could have a small cc bike but very powerful. So these were actually a lot quicker than most 400s because the Japs tuned the hell out of them to get the maximum speed, as they were restricted on cc due to the size. They're very small. And part of the test, if I remember, was you had to be able to lean the bike over, pick it up as well as part of the test. If you couldn't pick your bike up, you wouldn't pass. Well, most of the Japs are obviously pretty small, so that's why a lot of these 400s, they had the full range of NC30s, NC, VFR 400s, and all the ZRX 250, I believe, was a 4-cylinder 250s that they did, or ZZR 250. But cracking bike, all original exhaust, which is very rare to find one with these on. Beautiful up sweeps, like a flat tracker style, almost like the Harley Super Traps. Bars can be changed for a more comfortable bar. This was what I fitted for my dad. He was 72, wanted a lightweight, low C bike, to get to carry on biking in his 70s. Great big disc as well, as you can see, quite a big floater as well. So quite a cool bike, stops, goes. Very simple, very cheap to maintain as well. Being a Honda, there's nothing to go wrong. Hydraulic tappets, and as you can see, very unusual for a Jap bike. It's got alley rims. These are like the Barani style they had on the old flat trackers anyway, and the calf racers. Just needs a bit of a clean up, possibly get some bits re-chromed to make it 100% concours. But the bars can be changed back to the wider style. They were basically done as a way of getting it into his garage, because he had a car on the left hand side, so I did fit smaller bars for him. But as you can see, there is the possibility, the nut I took off to grease all the head bearings and put it somewhere I can't quite find. But you can see here the things in K's. That is genuine mileage, around about 6,500, 6,800 miles genuine from new. Last trip I did was 90 odd miles, 95. Quite high revving, for a V-twin, twin carb, as you can see. See how immaculate this thing really is. There's hardly any corrosion at all on this bike, but with that mileage, it's not surprising. New battery to go in here, nice big battery box. Also gives you room to put your tools. But cracking little motor, good for 110 odd, which is more than fast enough if you ask me, without fairing. And obviously stops well with twin discs. If you're interested in this bike or any of the others, the XV535 with the Harley stuff on, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.